Recently, um, Governor Adeleke paid a post-election victory visit to Mr. President, and ever since, certain theories have come out over it. So we want to really get, as the spokesperson of his campaign council, we want to get your response to his visit to Mr. President.
The visit of Governor Ademola Adeleke to the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria is the proper thing to do. It is the norm, it is the standard. You will all agree with me that Nigeria is a federation. We have 3 tiers of government. We have the federal government, the state government, and of course the local government. This Osun State is a sub-nation now under the Nigerian government. And we don't intend to take Osun State out of Nigeria. So we understand, and I think the governor deemed it necessary to pay a courtesy call to Mr. President as a sign of respect to the office of the President. And of course, because we also understand that in Nigeria is a developing democracy and our institutions are so developing, we reckon with the fact that it is important that the President gives direction for democracy and to allow independent institutions to function very well. So Mr. Governor was with Mr. President to commend him for allowing a free level playing ground in Osun State and for allowing the wish of the people of Osun State to be realized. So the visit of Mr. Governor to President Bola Tinubu is not taking the people of Osun State for granted, but the intention is to amplify the aspiration of the people of Osun State. The people of Osun State actually voted Governor Ademola Adeleke. The election was tense. The election was more or less like a war. Mr. Governor took the advantage of his visit to Mr. President to appeal that there's a need for us to strengthen our institutions so that they are not available for manipulation in the hands of some politicians. And importantly, Mr. President has said to Mr. Governor that this is the best time for us to unite our people in Osun State. And it's in line with the speech and the position of Mr. Governor that it is time to heal the wound of the people of Osun State so that we can have a state that we can all be proud of. So the essence of that visit has nothing to do with Governor Ademola Adeleke joining APC. It's an impossibility. Governor Ademola Adeleke is not joining APC. But I can assure you that Governor Ademola Adeleke will work with the federal government to ensure that there's progress in Nigeria and, of course, in Osun State.
Sorry. It said you work with both of accord parties to ensure that Governor Ademola Adeleke is re-elected. Can you speak to that?
That's a fallacy. ADC did not support Governor Ademola Adeleke. Did not even provide any opportunity for any relationship. The election of Governor Ademola Adeleke was determined by the people of Osun State. The people came out en masse against APC, against all other political interests. ADC brought in big wigs like the candidate of the ADC for President, Atiku, brought in a lot of prominent people to Osun State. APC also brought in a lot of governors, a lot of senators. But the people of Osun State stood their ground resolute. They voted for Governor Ademola Adeleke. We did not even reach out to ADC. ADC did not reach out to us. We are not interested in collaborating with any political party. In fact, even though the people of Osun State voted for Governor Ademola Adeleke under the platform of Accord, we understand that the election in Osun State is beyond political party. The election is about the people coming out en masse to support a governor who has diligently worked for them. If you look at the records of Governor Ademola Adeleke, you look at infrastructural development, you look at his intervention in terms of welfare and the needs of people. We have never had a governor before who has prioritized the welfare of the people, who has been so selfless, like Governor Ademola Adeleke. And so the people of Osun State are very, very proud of him. And the people of Osun State will continue to support him. So we did not have any support from ADC, and we do not expect to have any support from ADC.